actually got a smiley face that time from the speed camera. That's unusual. I would have overtaken the Skoda as well, but on a blind brow did not seem sensible. And that's me being sensible, guys. That's my one time this year. I think two of the most popular bikes in Germany are Hogs and the 1250. The R1250, sorry, the GS, yeah, the R1250 GS, I can understand. The Hog, hell no. Believe me, I had a Hog, it was horrible. Got a Vauxhall Skoda Fabia, whatever it is, and it's getting in the bloody way. Or it was. Now Sam's now coming up on 6.5. Well, she's just over 6, and has put some mileage on the clock. I've done the 60,000 service twice so far. And she behaves faultlessly. Well, except for when I was in America, and then she sat here unfortunately on her own and protested big time when I got back because her battery was flat. But I put a trickle charger on it, left it for a day, and then Sam started first time again, and we've been having fun since. Nice old 70s Porsche. I prefer the old ones. I think they actually look better. The newer ones seem to have gone for size, where the older ones were small and nimble. And still a good looking front end. And an older Porsche. That's a nice one. Well, there's a fair bit of breeze today. When you overtake, that's how you do it. Fast, careful, and wide. Just in case an idiot decides he's going to overtake at the same time. I'm looking at the trees and I can't see where the breeze is coming from. It can't be just sheer speed of Sam going forward that's causing this wind flow, because there's nothing in the trees. The treetops all look still. So where is this breeze coming? I can hear it as well. Ignore the breeze. Just keep on going.